2015, 16, 17, 18, and 19 Chevy Trax, Chevy Cruze, whatever with 1.4 engine turbo. So look at the oil leak. We did the diagnostic. The oil was coming from right here where my finger is, the oil cooler. So basically you're gonna have two options. Replace the entire whole cooler with the oil filter gas housing, or get the gasket for 20 something dollar and replace all the gaskets, disassemble them. So to be at the safe side, the customer decided to get the whole new unit, and in order to do that you need to take the whole turbo off pretty much. We already installed back in there, this is the new part, but I'm gonna guide you step by step. So you're gonna have lower it down, take off the upper hoses from the oil cooler, take off the entire turbo out, take the entire turbo out, and then you're gonna drop the belt so you can access from here to take off the AC compressor in order to be able to remove that turbo. So after that, as you see, this is the old part that we already have it. The oil was coming from here, it's pouring out from here. So like I said, you can take this off. There's a bunch of O-ring all around it. You're gonna replace everything, all this O-ring and everything, or you can replace the whole entire unit, like I said. So basically, yes, there is a bunch of work you're gonna need to do. Take off the, lose the AC compressor, do disconnect the line, because you're gonna need to charge that Freon again. You don't need to do that. So, and you don't want that. And then take off the turbo along with the line and everything. Then you're gonna have access to that coolant cooler to take it off and replace it. Well, like I said, it's a bunch of crap, a lot of things needs to be done, a lot of hoses, and you're gonna need to add up the oil whenever it's done, and the coolant is gonna be drained. You're gonna put the new coolant in it and move forward. This is the common problem with that kind of engine, and usually the oil cooler fail, oil cooler gasket fail. Sometimes they have the leak from the timing chain case. I've seen it before, but most of the time the oil cooler gasket is fail and start leaking. So that was a quick summary about this job. And again, feel free to give me a call or send me a text or put a comment down below if you have any question or concern. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.